Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your reward strategy with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage your rewards strategy effectively with Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the rewards program section, which will typically be found in the credit card menu. Review the types of rewards offered, such as cash back, travel points, or other incentives. Take note of the rewards categories that earn you the most points or cash back. Consider which rewards align best with your spending habits. Before making any changes, familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions specific to each rewards program. Next, assess your current spending patterns by examining recent transactions. Determine if there are any categories where you could shift your spending to maximize rewards. If applicable, set up your account to automatically enroll in specific bonus categories. Check if there are any introductory offers or promotional bonuses for new purchases. Evaluate how your rewards can be redeemed, whether through statement credits, travel bookings, or merchandise. Plan your redemption strategically, ensuring that you maximize value when redeeming your rewards. Consider the expiration policies for points or cash back to avoid losing out on your benefits. If you have multiple accounts, consolidate your rewards into one account to streamline management. Set reminders for yourself to review your rewards strategy periodically, at least every few months. Stay informed about any changes to the rewards program by subscribing to Wells Fargo updates or checking their website. Finally, reach out to Wells Fargo customer service for assistance or to clarify any questions about your rewards strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.